Hello YouTube friends and family, and to all my subscribers. I just want to quickly say how I appreciate all my viewers and for everybody who subscribes to my channel, and especially to all those who watch my videos all the way through to the end. That is important to me, and I do appreciate that. In this cart ride, I decided to go through the recently developed Alaura Courtyard villas. It was a beautiful late afternoon. It's one of my favorite times of the day. Although I think I should have got in here just a little bit sooner than what I did, so the colors may not come out as vibrant as I'd like. It was almost at twilight time. But as we take a ride through, we will be able to see that these are courtyard villas. Very nicely constructed. It's in a nice location. These Alaura villas are situated within the village of Hawkins, which is right off of South on Megason Road. And yes, people ask questions as to the proximity to the Florida Turnpike. It is rather close, and you will hear turnpike noise at times, especially at a quiet evening, or depending on how the sound is traveling. Me and Susan are in the village of Bradford, and we do hear it. Sometimes it sounds kind of loud. You would swear it was almost in your backyard. And at other times, you don't notice it hardly at all. These Alaura villas are pretty much situated and set up similar, of course, to the patio villas that we have seen before. Courtyard villas are fenced, so that way you can have your pet go outside and take care of his business without him going into the neighbor's yard and taking care of his business in somebody else's yard. As you can see, many of these courtyard villas are going to have either a 2 single-car garage, as that one there. Some will have a 1.5-car garage with a golf cart garage, such as this one right here. Different homes are going to have different layouts, of course. But if any of you have seen the inside of a courtyard villa, the floor plans are very much the same. Some of these homes may have, different color schemes. Some may have slightly different upgrades than other villa homes. However, courtyard villas are going to be priced significantly higher than your patio villa, of course. You could easily be looking around $350,000 all the way up. And the last time I was on the village's website, I saw price ranges anywhere from like $320,000 all the way up to over $450,000. And as to the availability of what's left, that I'm not sure of. I would highly suggest you check the village's website, contact a sales agent for available homes. But if you go into the village's website and you put in the correct filters, it will tell you what's available and what's pending. I'm not going to do a whole lot of chit-chattering in this ride through. This really isn't any different from other ride-throughs that we've done. I just wanted to show you the layout and the look of the newly constructed Alaura Courtyard villas. I just wanted to add that these Alaura villas within the village of Hawkins are in fairly close proximity to the newly up-and-coming Sawgrass Grove entertainment and shopping area. It's going to be near a brand new golf course. It's a nice area. It's in a good location.
Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of
But as always, thank you for coming on the ride with me today. This is a quick ride through of the Alaura Courtyard Villas. Have a great day.